Hello viewers, welcome to our another video. In this video I will show you D-Link DIR-650 in 300 mbps router, 300 and 300 mbps Wi-Fi router full configuration. So friends, let's start, and please don't skip the video. If you skip this video you can don't understand anything. First, plug in your router power cable, then plug in your internet cable to the WAN or internet port. Then plug the short cable found with your router from your router's LAN port to PC or laptop. For those who don't have a laptop or PC, you can do it through your mobile. Connect the Wi-Fi of the router to your phone and follow the steps we have seen. Now first, open any web browser on your device. Now type 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. For your convenience, I will give this link in my description box. If you need, you can collect it from there. Now use the default username and password admin here. Now here type the username and password that your ISP company gave you. Now here select pppoe option. Now here type network name, SSID and password on wireless option. Then click on next. Now click on save. Now wait until the finishing saving video. Now wait until the finishing saving. So friends, we have complete our setup successfully. Now you can browse the internet. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.